prestige review and $550 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my prestige review. Now we have 3 of my favorite marketers behind this product. We have Bill Hugall, we have David Kirby, and we have Simple Spencer. All 3 of these guys I know, I worked with, and I have them in high regard. Now first of all, Bill Hugall is actually my internet marketing coach. I hired him years ago and he essentially took me from making $2,000 per month to $10,000 per month in a matter of like 2 or 3 months. So this guy really knows what he is talking about. Then we have David Kirby, a guy that really helped me a lot personally with my online business, especially early on. So he really helped me to make thousands of dollars online. And we have Simple Spencer, and I've launched a couple of products with him as well. All 3 of them really know what they're talking about. They are making a ton of cash online. Their products are amazing, and Prestige is no different. So today I'm going to review Prestige, and this is actually David's method. So David is always on the lookout for new products to promote, new ways to making money, new traffic sources, etc. And this method is really brilliant because it's fully automated, okay? So you don't have to worry about anything else apart of generating traffic. And David actually shows you a bunch of different ways inside on both how to generate free traffic and paid traffic. So it's amazing because you can start off with free traffic. If you don't have anything to invest, you'll just invest a little bit of time, get that first sale in, and then if you want, you can reinvest into paid traffic and scale this up. If you don't want, you can just use the free traffic methods. That's absolutely fine, but he gives you all the tools you need, okay? So he is sharing a bunch of different ways of generating high converting traffic, buyers traffic, and stuff that just converts. And then you're sending all this traffic into one automated funnel, which makes you commissions on autopilot. And we are talking about both commissions for normal products and mid-ticket, etc. So it really just makes sense, especially if you are new to making money online. If you don't really know, first of all, how to generate traffic, secondly, where to send it to, and in general you don't have like a ton of technical knowledge, like how to create squeeze pages and thank you pages and sales pages and video sales letters and funnels and all that stuff. Everything is done for you. So let me share my screen with you and let's jump into this review. So as you can see, Prestige, this is my Prestige review again, and it says I'm making $282.40 per day in just 24 hours with this simple Prestige method. No experience needed to do this, no difficult work, nothing crazy technical. This method is very step-by-step and easy to do. So this is Bill, this is the guy behind the course, this is my internet marketing coach that I told you about. So Dave is making $200 plus per day with this, proven and fully tested, unique and fresh, newbie friendly, no product or videos required. So very important, and fun and profitable system. So scrolling down, they have my testimonial right here on top, as you can see. So again, Bill Hugall, Simple Spencer, and David Kirby. These are the 3 guys behind the course. All great marketers. They really know how to make money online, and they are great teachers as well, okay? So as you can see, you have May and June 2019 results right here. So thousands of dollars paid out. Some more proof, $98 per commission and multiple commissions right here, as you can see. $13,000 total earned so far, so just a ton of proof behind this one. Prestige, again, this is the name of this product, and this is my Prestige review. Scrolling down, we have obviously the 100% risk-free guarantee for 30 days, and that's essentially it. A short sales page, but this is all you need to know. And I just wanted to show you the inside of the members area. It's super simple as well. Essentially what you're getting is a PDF. So as you can see, you're going to be able to download the PDF right here. You also have 7 bonuses worth almost $2,000. Okay, so this is what you're getting. The PDF looks like this. Obviously I can't show you the content of it, but as you can see, it's 30 pages, everything with screenshots and all the links. Like Dave really made sure to share all of the resources with you. Okay, so essentially you just have to go through it, click, where he tells you to click, follow the instructions, and this is all sort of done for you and very, very simple to follow. Okay, so again, this is a super simple method. All you're going to be using is a done for you funnel, just sending traffic to it. Dave will show you exactly how to generate the traffic, both free and paid. You can use one strategy or two or all of them. He's sharing a bunch of different strategies, and it's very, very simple. All you have to do is just keep on sending traffic to this one link that you're getting, and commissions and everything else are automated. Okay, super simple. That's it. That's what you can expect when it comes to Prestige and picking it up. And let's go through all of the upsells right now. So as you can see, the early bird price on Prestige is super low at $8. Now this is crazy. Keep in mind you can make hundreds of dollars per day with it. This is not even an investment. This is like a price of a cup of coffee or less. With that being said, $13 is the end price. So if you want to pick it up for $8, make sure to show up early at 10 a.m. Eastern on the 25th of June. Okay. So again, $8, super low price. Actually, it will be $7.95, which is even crazier. Then we have OTO number one, $37, and this is Prestige Done For You tool, which is essentially a software. This software sells for $97, so you're getting a 60% discount, and this is essentially a software tool that will help you to generate traffic. Okay, so $37. Then we have OTO number two, $47, and as you can see, this is full resale rights to Prestige. So normally people are charging like $197 for it. You are getting a full reseller rights for $47, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Then we have OTO number three, $27. And as you can see, it is how to bank insane 5-figure paydays. And this is actually something that they are charging $297 and $397 for, but as a one-time offer, you are getting it for $27. Pretty crazy as well. And then we have the last OTO, $27, and as you can see, it is a buyer's list method plus simple $300 per day method. So 2 additional methods for more profits for just $27. As always, OTOs are optional. You'll be fine with the main product alone, but if I would recommend any of these, I would definitely recommend the first one, which is a piece of software, or the second one, because you can use all these traffic strategies, grab the reseller's license, and get 100% commissions on all of these products. Okay, so these are the OTOs, and I mentioned an amazing bonus in the beginning of this video, so let me show you. All of these bonuses you're getting for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Prestige through my link. And you're getting, these are all W's of the Day awarded courses, by the way. You're getting Profit Vortex, you're getting Unbreakable, you're getting Atomic Profits, you're getting Holiday Gold Rush, you're getting Reactor, the Milken Method, Laptop Legacy, List Mastery, Poolside Profits, Newbie Traffic Formula, Easy Profit Secrets, 6 Minutes Profits, Traffic Titan, Pinnacle, Traffic Problem Solved, a Quick Affiliate Sniper, Explode Your Profits. And so these are 17 W's of the Day awarded courses, and you're getting these on top of it. So 20 software plugins, email inboxer software, high ticket authority, traffic siphon, piggyback cash machine, instant traffic for pennies, and evergreen commission machine, plus done for you pack, plus 10x your profits. So you're getting a total of 26 bonuses worth $550 plus. Okay, so this is what you would have to spend if you'd like to pick all of these up. And keep in mind, these are all W's of the Day awarded courses that are still selling for $10 to $20 a piece. You're getting all of this for free, again, from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Prestige through my link. And Prestige will be going live on the 25th of June at 10 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up early to grab it for just $7.95, super crazy low price. If you have any questions, please let me know. As always, please give it a like on YouTube. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you inside the next video. Ciao!